So what you'll need is roughly 300 grams of honey, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, about 3 teaspoons of chili flakes. This way you will be able to store the hot honey for about 3 months at room temperature. But sometimes I also like to add some fresh jalapenos. A small side note to this, if you use fresh jalapenos, you will be able to store this for only just a week in the fridge. Get yourself a saucepan and put it on a fire. Make sure your fire is medium low. Put your honey in there and your chili flakes and give everything a real good stir. Now we're just going to heat through the mixture. We're not going to boil it. We're gonna just bring up the temperature until it starts simmering. As you can see, the honey is starting to simmer. Now it's time to turn off the fire and let the mixture infuse for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, add in your vinegar. Stir it in that everything is incorporated together. For storage purposes, what you want to do is get yourself a pot with a lid on it. I'm just reusing a jam jar. Get yourself a strainer and just pour your mixture in there. I should have done this differently. Boy. Alright, the straining went a little bit sideways, so I'm just gonna strain it first into a bigger bowl, because apparently it doesn't want to strain like a normal liquid. Like, I've made this before and it was super easy to strain. I don't know why this is more difficult now, but yeah, here we are. Anyway, once it's strained, take a pot and then pour it in there. That's a little bit easier. And there you go. You have yourself some nice hot honey you can use on pretty much anything you want. From desserts to fried stuff to even pizza if you're up for that. That's it.